Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you on the platform of Exampore. I, Sanjay Tomar, welcome you all in this very important session, guys. What we have designed for you, a marathon session, guys, which is going to be one and a half hour long for the RRB, IBPS RRB clerk examination, which is going to happen, the next Sunday, this Sunday only. Okay, so you just do join, and once you join, please do not forget to let me know by the comments of yours. Okay, please do join, and once you join, guys, do not forget to share the session as well. Do not forget to share the session as well, guys. Okay. Hello, Bhargavi, Shrivani. Good afternoon, everyone, guys. It's going to be a very important session. Those who are going to appear for the examination in the next few days, especially the RRB examination, guys. So do join, and once you join, please do not forget to let me know by the help of your comments. Okay. So, this is the first question of the day. Start solving it. Identify what is the missing number in the series. Okay. 714 question mark 336 2688. 714 question mark 336 2688. Identify the pattern. I think it's getting double 2 times. It's getting double, that is 2 times. Okay. How much this is getting, guys? Any approximate idea? 8 6 ja 48, 3 8 ja 24. So I think it is getting 8 times. If this is getting 2 times, this is getting 8 times. So we can go for multiply by 4, multiply by 6. So that series is increasing by the multiplication of 2, 4, 6, 8. Now cross check. What is 14 4 ja? 56. So 56 would be our answer. Provided 56 into 6 is 336. That's absolutely true. So 56 is our correct answer. Very good question. Very good problem. I hope you got it. Yeah. Let's move on to the next question of the day. Okay. Identify the pattern. 10, 18, 45, 109 question mark. 10, 18, 45, 109 question mark. Identify the pattern. Okay. Series is not increasing very fast. So go for the difference. 8. What is the difference over here? 27. What is the difference over here? 64. Do you identify these differences? Yeah. They are 2 ka cube, 3 ka cube, 4 ka cube. So next should be 5 ka cube, 125. So next should be 5 ka cube, that is 125. So 109 plus 125 is 234. Answer. Yeah, absolutely, Srivani. Absolutely. Okay, great. Let's move on to the next question of the day. So I will conduct the session for the mains as well. Uh, Today I'm conducting the session for this banking exam. Otherwise, very soon I would be conducting the session for the mains as well. Yeah. Identify it. Identify it. One 127, 138, 168, 193, 237. 11. Go for the difference because it's not increasing very tremendously. It's not increasing very fast. Go for the difference. 22, 33, 44. Very obvious. Next difference should be 55. Very obvious. Next difference should be 55. Answer. Clear? If it is clear, guys, do let me know by the help of your thumbs ups. Yeah. If it is clear, do let me know by the help of your thumbs ups. Okay. Great. Very good. Absolutely brilliant. Absolutely. Next. A question from time and work which can be easily done by you. A question from time and work which can be easily done by you. Yeah. Just give the efforts. Just give the efforts. Yeah. A is twice as fast as B. A is twice as fast as B. So A and B efficiency is in the ratio 2:1. B can complete the work. B can complete the work in 24 days. So can I say with the efficiency of one work can be done in 24 days? So work is 24. Do you listen what I just said? With the efficiency of one work can be done in 24 days. So work is 24. Work is 24. Now you want this work to be done by A plus B. What is A plus B combined efficiency? A plus B combined efficiency is 3. So they will take 8 days only. They will take 8 days only. Perfect. Perfect. Come on, tell me. A and B efficiency is in the ratio 2:1. With the efficiency of one, work can be done in 24 days. So work is 24. Now 24 work you want to be done by A plus B together and their combined efficiency is 3. They will only take 8 days in doing it. They will only take 8 days in doing it. Very good. Let's move on. Come on. Average of the marks obtained by Jaya in the 7 subjects is 75. Highest and lowest marks are excluded. Highest and lowest marks are excluded. Average marks remain the same. Average marks remain the same. If the difference between the highest and the lowest is 30, what is the ratio of the highest and the lowest? Very good question. Looking like a very good question. If you know, guys, if you know that when you exclude the highest and lowest, and still your average is same, so we can say that the average of those two which were excluded was also 75. Like if your initial average was 75, after excluding the numbers, still the average is 75. So average of the numbers which you excluded, like the highest and the lowest, was also 75. So average of highest and lowest was also 75. 75 average two numbers, so sum was 150. Have you got this concept? What did I just said? I just said if average is remaining the same on excluding two numbers, this means the average of the excluded numbers, is also 75. The average of the excluded numbers is also 75. Like I can say like this, average of the excluded numbers is also 75. So sum of the excluded numbers is 150. Perfect. Perfect. So sum of the excluded number is 150 and the difference of them is 30. Add both the equations. So 2h is equal to 180, h is 90, highest 90. So lowest is 90 plus 60. So highest and lowest ratio, 3:2. Correct. Tell me. 100% clear. Very short and sweet solution. Very short and sweet solution. Please do watch it once again. Any issues, do let me know. Perfect. Okay. Well done. Keep it up. Some approximation questions, 5 approximation question would need to be done in the next 5 minutes. Some approximation question, just do it in next 5 minutes only. Hardly 5 minutes more. Okay. 4, 5 4s are 20. 8 minus 4, 4 plus 20 is equal to x into 2 is equal to 92. 24. 2x is equal to 92 minus 24. 2x is equal to 68. X is 37. X is 34. What was it? It was nothing. Yeah. We have approximated 3.92 to 4, approximated 4 to 4, 4 and 5 are 20, and just solve it to get to the answer. Next. Do the approximations properly. Very fast approximations, guys, like with the speed of the light. Yeah. Just do it with the speed of the light. 602 plus 6 into 12 divide by 1800 divide by 30. So this is 60 times, 1 0 remaining, 602 plus 12 by 10, 602 plus 1.2, 603.2. Yeah, absolutely brilliant, absolutely perfect. Just do the approximations very fast. Yeah, approximations very fast. Next. Partnership. P and Q have started a business with 2400 and 3600 respectively. At the end of 3 years, Q withdraw 1800. At the end of 3 years, Q withdraw 1800. What is the ratio of the share of P and Q at the end of 5 years? What is the ratio of the share of P and Q at the end of 5 years? Started with 2400 and 3600. Q is withdrawing something at the end of 3 years. Q is withdrawing something at the end of 3 years. So for 3 years, his investment is this only. After 3 years, he withdraw 1800. After 3 years, he withdraw 1800. So how much remains? How much remains? 3600 minus 1800. That is again 1800 investment left. And this investment is going to run for next 2 years because he is calculating the profit after 5 years. So this investment will run for next 2 years and this for total 5 years. Now, there is a choice available to you. There is a choice available to you. If you want to simplify something, you can simplify it. Like these all are multiple of 600. These all are multiple of 600. So we can cancel them by 600. 600 2 ja, 600 6 ja, 600 6 ja, 600 4 ja. Okay. So investment of P 4 5 ja 20. Investment of Q 6 3 ja 18 plus 4 minus 2 8. So 20 26, which comes out to be 6 3 ja 18 3. So 3 into 2 is 6. Which comes out to be 4 5 ja 20, 4 6 ja 24, 5:6. Is it absolutely clear? Do let me know, guys. Is it absolutely clear? And what are the steps I have taken? What are the steps I have taken? Is that steps were clear to you? What are the steps I have taken? Is those steps were clear to you? I've simplified it by 600. Yeah. Just to make it little bit more easy. 600 3 times, 600 6 times, 600 6 times, 600 4 times. Next. Keep it up. Ratio. Question from ratios. Jitu Mitu. Percentage is in the ratio 7:8. After 4 years, it would be in the ratio 15:17. You know, the age difference between the two persons always remains the same. Like you and your brother or sisters, if you have a difference of 2 to 3 years among yourself, it will always remain 2 to 3 years eternally. It will always remain 3 years eternally. You are 20, he is 22. You would be 80, he would be 82. So it is always going to remain the same. It is always going to remain the same. That is why we make this difference same. That is why we make this difference same. It is 1 here, it is 2 here, so multiply by 2 over here. So the new ratios will come 14:16, 15:17. According to the ratio, age is increasing by 1. According to the ratio, age is increasing by 1. Actually, it is happening in 4 years. Actually, it is happening in 4 years. So 1 is equal to 4 years. 1 is equal to 4 years. Okay? Now, so this is our data of present. This is our data of present. This is our data of present. So we can find out the percentages. We can find out the percentages. 14 4 ja 56 and 16 4 ja 64. So these are the present ages of Tinu and Minu. What is Jaya and Jitu and Mitu? These are the present ages of Jaya and Mitu. 54 and 62. Now there is an introduction of one more person, which is Tinu. Tinu is 9 years younger to Mitu. Tinu is 9 years younger to Mitu. So Tinu is 9 years younger means 55. Tinu is 9 years younger means 55. But they are asking the age of Tinu 3 years ago. But they are asking the age of Tinu 3 years ago. So she would be 52, 3 years ago. Answer. So she would be 52, 3 years ago. Perfect, absolutely perfect, guys. Come on, tell me. Come on, tell me, guys. Absolutely perfect. I know it's a banking session. That is why hardly any student of mine is like connected in the banking. But guys, this is the new connection which we are trying to build here. This is the new connection which we are trying to build. If it would have been an SSC session, then there would be a lot of familiar names. But guys, now I would be giving the services. Now I would be giving the services in the banking as well. Okay. So whether you are like preparing for SSC or whether you are preparing for banking, you will always find me giving the services for the betterment of you. You will always find me giving the services for the betterment of you guys. Okay. So my like life is dedicated for SSC and banking aspirants as of now, both. Initially it was only SSC. Now it's like SSC plus banking both, because sometimes banking gives the job more faster than SSC. Because sometimes banking gives the more faster job than SSC. Yeah. So let's move on. And believe me, guys, when you see it, I would be taking it both equally good. Yeah. एक होता है ना, both equally good. When you see me in the SSC, I would be taking a lot of advanced logics. When you see me in the banking, I would be taking a lot of tricky and calculation reducing ways. Absolutely. 12 into 9, 108 minus something is equal to 50. Something is 108 minus 50, 58. 12 into 9 is 108. 108 minus something is 50. So something is 58. Next. You will get some exciting DI today. Yeah, you will get some exciting DI today. Four one six plus 5 minus 9 is equal to 15. 421 minus 10. 421 minus 10 is 411. 411, 412. 397. Yeah, Shrivani. Exactly, you said it correctly. Exactly, you said it correctly. Okay. 416, I assumed it 4. 5, I assumed it 9. I assumed it 15. So it comes out to be 397. 397 is our answer. Next. Options are far. Approximate what you can do. Approximate what you can do. 6 into 4 plus 100 into 10 divide by 10. 100 plus 24. Gone. 6 into 4 plus 100 into 10 divide by 10. 10 divided by 10 is 1. So 100 into 1 is 100. 100 plus 24. 124 is the answer. Cool. Cool. Okay. Next. Next. Now after this, guys, arithmetic and DI is also going to start soon. After this, again, the arithmetic and DI is going to start soon. 57 into 12 divided by 6 plus 186. 2. 114 plus 186. 14 plus 86, 100. 100 plus 200, 300. Speed. Speed, guys. That is it. That is it. 12 divided by 6, 2. 57 into 2, 114. 114 plus 186 is 300. Gone. Nothing. Okay. Let's move on. Again, back to the arithmetic. Again, back to the arithmetic. Back to the arithmetic, guys, now. Exclometer upstream, exclometer return back in 50 hours. Upstream speed is known, downstream is known, find the value of x. Exclometer upstream returns back in total 50 hours. Upstream speed is known, downstream speed is also known, find the value of x. Exclometer upstream plus exclometer downstream in total 50 hours. Upstream speed is known as 7, downstream speed is known as 28, is equal to 58 hours. Take the LCM 28, 4x plus x, 5x is equal to 50. X comes out to be 280. What was x? X was the distance. What was x? X was the distance. So, x is equal to 280. So x is equal to 280. X is equal to 280. Let's move on. Good question. Very good question. Very good question. Length of rectangle reduced by 25%, breadth increased by 20%. Area obtained is 1800. Area obtained is 1800. So length of reduced by 25%, 25 reduction is 1 over 4. So length from 4 to 3. Breadth increased by 20%. 20% increment is 1 by 5. 20% increment is 1 by 5. So from 5 to 6. So area from 20 to 18. Area from 20 to 18. Area has changed from 20 to 18. Final area given as 1800. So initial area is going to be 2000. So initial area is going to be 2000. 20% increment is increment of 1 over 5. Increment of 1 over 5. So from 5 to 6. So length becomes from 4 to 3. Breadth becomes from 5 to 6. Area from 20 to 18. 18 is known. Find the value of 20. Average of 42 numbers given, average of 22 given, last 22 given, 20. Oh wow. Deviation question. Very, very important for all examinations. Very, very important for both SSC and railway aspirants. Both SSC, railway and banking aspirants. Common to all. Common to all. Apply the deviation, guys. Apply the deviation. You will enjoy it. Believe me. Once you apply the deviation, you will enjoy it. Okay. Average of 46 numbers is 22. Average of first 22 numbers is 60. Average of then again 22 numbers is 15. Total were 46. Here only 44 numbers. Total were 46. Here only 44 numbers. So what is the change till now? What is the change till now? We will observe it. What is the change till now? We will observe it. Here there is an increment of 18 in the average over 22 numbers. Here there is a decrement of bacha, how much? 27 on 22 numbers. Yeah, deviation. We are seeing the deviation from the original average. So plus 18 deviation over 22 minus 27 deviation over 22. Take 22 common, 18 minus 27. 18 minus 27 minus 9. So minus 9 into 22. That is 192. So overall deviation 192. Overall deviation 192. Okay. Okay, why this deviation of 192 is there? Why this loss of 192 is there? Because two numbers are missing. Because two numbers are missing. So because of those two numbers, this is the loss. So those two numbers should be 192 more than their average. 192 more than their average sum. So numbers missing are 23rd and 24th. They are asking finding the 23rd number. Assume the 23rd as x. What is going to be 24th? 23rd is half of 24. So 24 is double of 23. So 24 is 2x. What would be their average sum? Their average sum would be 42 into 3. 42 into 2 because they are two numbers. Their average sum would be 42 into 2 because there are two numbers. But this deviation also they need to take care of. Plus 192. They need to compensate for this deviation as well. They need to compensate for this deviation as well. So you will say 3x is equal to 84 plus 192. 3x is equal to 276. x is, एक मिनट देख लीजिए, 192 plus 84. So 6, 276, 3x is equal to 276, x 9 ja 92. Where is 94? Just a moment. 198, na? 198. This deviation was 198. Okay, 198. So this will become 94. One of the trickiest questions till now. Yeah. Great. One of the trickiest questions till now. $94 is the correct answer. 94 is the correct answer because deviation was 198. So you need to compensate for this deviation as well. So you have to add 198 in 84. 198 in 84 is 3x. So x is 94. Okay. How this we written? 23rd is half of. 23rd number is half of the 24th number. So we can easily say 24th number is double of the 23rd. So 24th number is double of the 23rd. This is your 23rd number. This is your 24th number. I hope you might have got it. Clear? Chalo. Pipe P can fill in 30 minutes. Q can empty it in 36 minutes. Both pipes are opened for 10 minutes. P is closed. Cistern will... Oh my God, this is such a easy peasy. P can fill it in 30 minutes. Q can empty it in 36 minutes. Never forget to apply the negative sign over empty. Never forget to apply the empty sign over negative. Take the LCM 180 liter. P efficiency plus 6, Q efficiency minus 5. P efficiency plus 6, Q efficiency minus 5. Both are opened for 10 minutes. So, plus 6 minus 5 for 10 minutes. So, 10 liter water filled. Only 10 liter water filled till now. Now, you will close the P. So, if P will get closed, only Q would be opened. And Q is an emptying pipe. So, it will empty with the efficiency of minus 5. Only 2 hours is going to be taken in emptying it. 2 minutes, whatever it is. Because if the question was in minutes, then the answer would also be in the minutes. So, only 2 minutes is going to be taken to empty it. Next. Come on. This is a bit tricky question. This is a bit tricky question. Well done, Raksha Patle. Well done. Okay, initially there was 140 liter of petrol and diesel. You are adding some petrol. You are adding some petrol so that the new ratio is getting formed. So that the new ratio is getting formed. What is the initial ratio of petrol and diesel? Initial total quantity 140 liter. Initial total quantity 140 liter. So according to the ratio as well, the sum should be a factor of 140. 14, a factor of 140. 11, not a factor of 140. 18, not a factor of 140. 9, not a factor of 140. 17, not a factor of 140. So we will first cross check with this. Let the initial ratio is 9:5 and now it is 5:2. Petrol, diesel. Now you can cross check by the data as well. So let's suppose if this total is equal to 140 liter, then 9 is equal to 90 liter, 5 is equal to 50 liter. When you will add 35 liter of the petrol, so it will become how much? 125. So 125 liter is equal to 5. So you can say, sir, multiplication of 25. So 2 would be equal to 50. You have not added any diesel. So initial and final should be equal. Yes, absolutely both are equal. So this is your correct answer. Did you understand what did I just said? Did you understand, guys? What did I just said? There is a X way as well. Yeah. There is a X way as well. Do you want to do it once by the X way as well? The basic way? The basic way would be like for the beginners. For the beginners, guys. Those who cannot check the factors. For them answer would be, let the petrol is P. So diesel would be 140 minus P. Now you are adding the petrol. So P plus 35. And diesel is 140 minus P. And now their ratio has become 5:2. Answer, guys. 2P plus 70 is equal to 700 minus 5P. Take this over here. 7P is equal to 630. Petrol is 90. If petrol is 90 liter, then diesel is 50 liter. The ratio 9:5. This is also brilliant, guys. Come on, tell me. This is also brilliant. It was basic, but not that difficult. Yeah. Yeah. Absolutely. Okay. Let's move on. If 10% of the girls of the college A is transferred to the college E, what is the percentage increase in the girls in the college E? 1800 is the total number of students, out of which 20% are in the college A. What is 20% of 1800? What is 20% of 1800? 360. Divide 360 in the ratio 4:5 among boys and girls. Divide 360 in the ratio 4:5 among boys and girls. 9 is equal to 360, 1 is equal to 40, so 4 is equal to 160, 5 is equal to 200. So boys and girls actual number is 160 and 200. Boys and girls actual number is 150 and 200. Now 10% of the girls. What is 10% of 200? 20. Is transferred to the college E. Okay. In the college E, 10% student is there. 10% of 1800 is 180. Divide it in the ratio 2:3. So 5 is 180, 1 is 36, 2 is 72, 108. I'm telling it, guys. Are you able to understand it? I'm telling it bit fast. Are you able to understand it? Yeah. 172 and 108. You are transferring 20 girls originally to the 108 girls. You are transferring 20 girls to the college of 108 girls. So increment is 20 over 108 into 100. You are transferring 20 girls to the college of 108 girls. Increment is 20 over 108. So 4 will simplify 27 times. 4 will simplify 25 times. 500 by 27. 500 by 27 is approximately 18.5%. Increment of 20 girls in a college of 108, increment of 20 girls in a college of 108 is giving you effectively this much increment. Next. Boys and girls in college A, ratio of boys in college A and B, and ratio of boys and girls in college B. Got it? Ratio of boys in college A and B and ratio of girls in college A and B. Guys, do you want to know the origin of this question, from in which examination this is being asked? It's such a brilliant question. It is such a brilliant question. Go, no issues, Ram Gurjar. It was such a brilliant question. It was asked in CGL. It was asked in CGL. Ratio of boys in A and B upon girls in A and B. So, boys in A plus B upon girls in A plus B. Okay, we have already find out 160, 200. And in the college B, 18%. 18% of 1800, 324. Divide 324 in the ratio 1:2. So 3 is equal to 324. 1 is equal to 108. So 108 and 216. So boys in A plus B are 160 plus 108. And girls in A plus B are 200 plus 216. 268 upon 416. Simplify by 4 at both places. 4 6 are 24, 4 7 are 28, 104. Answer. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, Ram. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Next. So with this, guys, with this session, I will continue in the next session. Till then, take care of yourself. Have a great time. Please do subscribe to our channel, guys, and please do the liking of the session as well. Before going with this, guys, I'm just winding up the session, and we will continue, guys, after this. We will continue after this in the upcoming sessions. Please try to join the sessions very regularly. Please try to join the sessions very regularly and never miss a live class. Just do take care of yourself. Have a great time. See you, and just a great meetup in the recent days. Take care of yourself. Have a great time.